Denise put on a robe and began restlessly prowling through her home once more.
Maybe I could have saved him if I'd come out with a bunch of people to scare off the attacker. He left as soon as people responded to my screaming. Maybe I could have saved Paul if I hadn't stood there, uselessly macing the killer.
Denise was so caught up in her thoughts that she ignored the sounds at her front door until they happened a third time.
Such an odd noise. What if someone's trying to pick the lock? Should I call the police? Or should I try to see what it is first? If this is just a raccoon nosing around and I call the cops, they'll really discount anything I say in the future.
She quietly ran up to her bedroom, pulling a Glock out of her nightstand. It was filled with silver bullets.
It might only slow down a vampire, but it'll kill anything human.
Denise kept the gun pointed toward the sounds as she edged to the front windows. If she angled her body just so, she could see her front door.
What?
Help. On her porch was a little girl, something red on her outfit. She looked hurt, or exhausted, or both. Denise set down the gun and went to the front door. The little girl's face was streaked with tears, and her whole frame trembled.
Can I come in? Daddy's hurt.
Come in, sweetie.
Denise picked up the little girl, looking around for a car or any other indicator of how she'd gotten there, and carried the child inside.
What happened? Where's your daddy?
Daddy's
dead.
Denise's arms fell at the instant deluge of weight, horror filling her as she saw the little girl morph into the same man who'd murdered Paul.
You!
Denise tried to run, but he grabbed her, shutting the door behind him.
Thanks for inviting me in.
His hand clapped over Denise's mouth just in time to cut off her scream.